Welcome to the online lecture series of refrigeration and air conditioning. Here is Professor Lakshman Mane. This is a video session on working of evaporative cooler. In this session, you will be able to explain working principle, construction and parts of evaporative cooler. As compressor is major energy consuming element of vapor compression refrigeration system, capital and running cost of VCRS based air conditioning systems is high. Evaporative coolers are different from these air conditioning systems. It is a device which cools air through evaporation of water. Let us understand with this example in a nature. When a stream of hot air is passing over the water surface, then because of heat exchange between water and air, water particles at the surface gets evaporated and it reduces the temperature of air. In turn, air is cooled. This phenomena is known as direct evaporative cooling, which is used in evaporative cooler. So, here hot dry air is used to pass through wetted evaporative pad to get cooled air. Major components of evaporative cooler are pump, water distributing line, wetted pads and fan or blower. Pump is used to lift the water and it supplies it at the top of the cooler to water distributing line, which consists of branches of pipes which drips water over the wetted pads. Fan or blower pulls outside hot air and passes over wetted pads. So when air passes through spray of water, some of the water evaporated and it picks up heat from the air equivalent to its latent heat. Means here when outdoor hot air comes in a contact of water particles, then here sensible heat of air is received by the water and it is converted into vapor. So sensible heat of air is reduced and latent heat of water vapor is increased. Thus, total enthalpy of air vapor mixture remains unchanged. So, this process is called as adiabatic cooling. In this process, air is cooled and humidified. Portable evaporative coolers provide air temperature from 24 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. These are available in the market based on water tank capacity in liter as 40, 60, 80 liters, etc. In industry, evaporative coolers are used for local cooling or spot cooling purpose. In case of large quantity of air requirement, roof-mounted evaporative coolers are used, which consist of two units, outdoor unit and indoor units. Outdoor unit sucks hot air from the outside by using fan, and this hot air is passed over the wetted pads. Thus, temperature of air is reduced. This cold air is brought to the working place. Especially these type of coolers are used in manufacturing industries. As compressor is absent in evaporative cooler system, these systems have low initial and running cost, and air and water is used here as a medium of heat transfer, which are readily available. Evaporative cooler has low maintenance. Evaporative coolers are not suitable to use in coastal areas because of High relative humidity in air means your evaporative coolers are suitable to use only in areas of hot and dry climate. So at the end of this session, you should be able to explain working principle, construction and parts of evaporative cooler. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.